Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's open the full list of apps and let's choose the settings. Let's scroll a little and find sound and let's pick advanced. As you can see here, we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change either phone ringtone but also notification sound and alarm sound. Let me pick, for example, the ringtone. And here, as you can see, we've got the list of default ringtones. What's more, your device gives you an opportunity to add your own ringtone. Let's click on it simply. And if you have any compatible files, they will appear here. As you can see, we've got no items. So let me get back and choose something from the default ones. In order to listen how the ringtone sounds, simply click on it. In order to choose the new ringtone and in order to apply it, simply click on it and then click on OK. Let me pick this one, for example, and click on OK to confirm. And as you can see, it automatically changed, and from now on you will use your chosen ringtone. The same situation will be with, for example, notification sound. As you can see, we've got less options that we had in a previous one. And the same situation, simply tap on it, and if you are ready, click on OK. And it has immediately changed. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.